Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today we're going to clean our car throttle body. If you feel like your car is lack of power, first thing that you should do is to make sure your car throttle body is cleaned, including all the components that I will show you at the end of this video. Grab a wrench of 10mm, get this clamp loose. Go ahead and press this little clip to be able to remove the little hose on top of your intake hose. Remove our intake hose. It can be a little challenging, just carefully get them out. Now let's go shopping. Follow me. Looks like they have the whole kit. This one right here for master floor sensor and also for your car's throttle body. We also need some microfiber tires, so let's go ahead and find it. They got this pack. I think it will be fine. Alright, now let's go ahead and self-checkout to let them take my money. Now coming back to my car throttle body, let's get all these crazy dirt residues around it removed. Grab your microfiber towel and clean inside, outside, and everywhere you feel like it's dirty. Don't forget to use mask protection. In my case, my car's throttle body is crazily dirty, probably never been cleaned before. About 15 years ago, never been cleaned. So let's go ahead and use our hard brush, wire brush, to get as much residues as I can. Just brushing and brushing. I don't know where am I gonna go with this, but I'm brushing until I see some signs that it looks better than before. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of satisfying. Apply a screwdriver, maybe it will help to get more residues debris out. It seems to be working. Okay, let's give our final brush. Not bad, even though we don't want to go crazy with this. Alright guys, now that we are working on this area, why not to clean the mass airflow sensor? This is the easier things to do in your car. Unfortunately not for me. Check this out. A worn screw. Nothing's that a socket that fits. Take the screw out, remove mass airflow sensor, and spray it with the cleaner that we just bought. Let it dry for a couple minutes, maybe around 30 to 25 minutes, then put it back in. And don't forget to tie the screws and make sure everything is in place.